Om Amriteshwarye Namah. During these auspicious days of Navaratri this year, let's try to understand the significance of the Navadurgas, the 9 forms of the Divine Mother, and try to decipher the spiritual principle behind these forms. Of course, there could be many ways of interpreting these 9 forms, but let us take a look at them from the perspective of our personal growth. Be it our spiritual growth or our venturing into a meaningful endeavor, something purposeful that we are trying to achieve sincerely in our life. So on this 4th day of Navaratri, let's take a look at the 4th of the 9 forms of the Divine Mother, the form of Devi Kushmanda.
Sura Sampurna Kalasham Rudhira Plutam Evacha Dadhana Hasta Padmabhya Kushmanda Shubhadastu me Kushmanda Shubhadastu me.
We discussed the first 3 names of the Divine Mother in the previous videos. The first name being that of Shailaputri, representing the right start one gives to an endeavor one ventures into. The second one, that of Brahmacharini, representing the attitude to strive, to be dedicated, to be sincere about our goal, and the efforts that we put in to achieve that. And the third name, that of Chandraghanta, reminding us not to become complacent that the goal is already achieved. Rather be ready for the hurdles that are bound to come and to face them with the right attitude. And today we look at the 4th name, Kushmanda. Kushmanda has different meanings in Sanskrit based on the context that the word is used in. It could mean pumpkin or vegetable god, or it sometimes refers to a demon. That's the beauty of the language of Sanskrit. Based on the context, the meaning of the word could be interpreted in different ways. Here, Anda means egg. Ushma translates to heat or otherwise energy. Kushmanda refers to the Divine Mother as Shakti, the energy, the force from which that's the cosmic egg from which the creation happens. Terms like Hiranyagarbha or Brahmanda in the scriptures can be interpreted as the concentrated or condensed form of net sum of energy in the creation. Like how even the Big Bang theory suggests everything in the creation got created from that wholesome energy or Shakti or Kushmanda in this perspective. In our effort to achieve our goal, looking at the spiritual perspective of this name, the spiritual perspective behind this name, we need to recognize that we need to create the path that we tread upon, all the way up to the goal that we strive for. By our effort, we need to create opportunities, the conducive moments helpful relationships, meaningful environment, so that the situations cooperate with our efforts. There would definitely be people, things, situation, etc. that would help us in our journey. But even that is earned by us through our efforts in the past. As the saying goes, we get what we deserve and not always what we desire. So Kushmanda Devi teaches us to create those opportunities we want to have, so that we receive what we rightly deserve and make the best of the opportunities we get, so that we can move on to the goal that we are pursuing after. Om Amriteshwariyai Namaha.